he's coming home. After almost a month abroad, Nick Jonas is heading back to the United States. The singer, 26, was photographed arriving at Mumbai airport on his way to New York City on Thursday. His new wife Priyanka Chopra, 36, is still in India, where the couple exchanged vows in two lavish ceremonies earlier this month. Get push notifications with news, features and more. Following you'll get the latest updates on this topic in your browser notifications. But the newlyweds won't be apart for long. They're set to cap off their wedding celebrations with a special reception on December 20 in Mumbai. On December 1st, Jonas and Chopra got married in a Western ceremony on the lawn of the Umaid Bhawan Palace in Jodhpur, in front of 225 guests. The following day, the two exchanged vows again in a lavish Hindu wedding before concluding the weekend with a bidai, a bridal ritual in which Chopra's family blessed her new life with Jonas. "I loved that our wedding was a religious mashup," the Quantico star told People exclusively. "We took beautiful traditions that we both grew up with and personalized them in a way that made sense for us. It's been incredible to find the commonalities between our beliefs and figuring out how to blend them in a respectful and meaningful way." Following their nuptials, the couple visited various cities throughout the country, squeezing in a brief mini-moon in Oman and attending Indian heiress